In this video, I'm going to show you the Chegg reading app on the iPad. Now, Chegg is a service, if you're not familiar, that rents textbooks. So in case you don't want to buy the textbook, like in the case of a Kindle, you just want to rent it, then Chegg is a good source to rent textbooks. So you need an account, and then you need to obviously rent your textbook. So this is the app. I'm going to launch it here on the iPad. You can also read it online too, but I found that the iPad just makes for an easier way to read than off of a computer. So here is the textbook that I rented. It's Disability Studies. So I'm going to tap on that, and it's going to launch wherever I was last. So this is chapter 16. Right at the top, if I want to get back out to the main menu, I can hit that arrow, left arrow. I can tap the next button over, and it gives me the table of contents, and you can see the bookmarks that I've also done in this application. So this is the table of contents, and I can go to that, or I can jump to a certain page. The next one is search. So I can tap on this and I can search the entire book. The next one is my highlights. So this is everywhere I have highlighted. And because I have the entire textbook here, I don't need to manage the pages because the pages are going to be in the highlighting themselves. So page 3 is page 3 of the book. So I don't have to make a note that I'm starting on a certain page. Then there's also bookmarks. So I'm gonna make the distinction between creating a bookmark is just a hyperlink to wherever you are, and then a highlight is where you can copy and paste data out of it. And the highlight's the one that we're going to be concerned with. Along the bottom, you can see here I have navigation, and then you've got a little bit of help in the upper right-hand corner. So like the PDFs, when I first start reading a chapter, I want to highlight the author and the title of the chapter. So all you have to do to start highlighting is you tap and hold, and you can see now I've got the author's last name, and I'm going to drag my finger until I've highlighted that whole section. Once it's highlighted, it pops up a menu, and I can either choose to highlight in yellow or purple, or I can add a question mark highlight, or I can add a star highlight. And then in my notes, it'll come out as a star. Now, I didn't find this very useful, so I'm going to tap back on the highlights. I want to remove that highlighting, and I just found basically that in this one, typing yellow was what I wanted to do. And that gave me a sense of, that gave me the title of the whole section. Then, again, I would do the section titles. See, this one's not, there you go. Highlight that. And then as I started reading, I can come in here. Let's say I wanted to highlight this word globe. I could just come down here and let go, and then tap yellow. And if I, again, wanted the next paragraph, but I wanted it to be in a different color, I would tap that and then open up a highlight and make it purple. So this is the same thing like I annotate, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how to go online and save it out so you can copy and paste the text into your note system.